Guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I just wanted to start by saying thank you so much for subscribing and sharing all my videos, loving all the comments. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a really easy stir fry with quinoa and sausage and shrimp. But honestly, you can use whatever protein you like. I buy these MARC ANGELO turkey sausages from Walmart. For this huge sausage, and I really love the flavor of it. Some people don't care for sausage, but I really enjoy it. It's only one smart point, I know. And I like to take it out of the casing, and I'll show you in a second. I also love buying this whole grain quinoa. I get that at Costco. And you're going to cook it up. Oh, I'm using 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water. You bring it to a boil and then you let it cook for 15 minutes. Okay, covered, all right? You can make more if you want. You can double it, you can triple it if you're making a lot for a lot of people. Again, another option for a protein is shrimp. I just bought this at Walmart, but you can buy whatever shrimp you want. Again, you can use chicken, you could use beef for this stir fry. It's super delicious. So I have my quinoa cooked. It's 2 cups cooked already. I have about 20 shrimp, and I've been cooking up my sausage. Okay, so on a medium heat, you don't need any oil, okay, and you just pan fry it. I'll just show you. Just till it gets brown. Hope you can see it. It takes about like maybe 1 or 2 minutes on each side. Really doesn't take long at all. I'm just going to put it on for another second. Now, just for time's sake, I've already stir fried a lot of vegetables. So I took 1 big onion, of course. I love Vidalia onions. You can use whatever onion. A little bit of red onion too I put in, just for color. Some red peppers, zucchini. I had broccoli, some snow peas, and a little bit of shredded carrot, mushrooms, and broccoli. Okay, so use whatever you want and as much as you want. I have probably about 3 cups of vegetables here because I want to make it for my lunch. And this is great for dinners, for lunches, and you can pre-make it and have it for a few days in your fridge, or you can even freeze it into some containers. So I have like my container right here, just ready to show you how we're going to do this afterwards. Okay, so now that it's all cooked up, I'm going to add my delicious spices because, you know, we're all about flavor, right? So we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil, about a teaspoon. Get it ready for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to put about a teaspoon of some sesame oil. I have a little bit of some lime juice. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice. And I'm going to put my oven to a medium heat. All right, now I'm going to add a little bit of some teriyaki. I buy this at the low-carb grocery store. It's sugar-free, but if you don't have sugar-free, a tablespoon or so is not going to hurt, okay? So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of some teriyaki sauce. And I like using a little bit of some soy sauce, especially in a stir fry, and this is a low sodium one. Find whatever brand you can, all right? And I'm going to use about a teaspoon. I usually just shake it in. It's probably about 2 teaspoons actually. All right. I love a little bit of zip to my stir fries, so I have some sriracha, but you could use some chili flakes, not flakes, And if you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add this, all right? So I'm just going to put a little bit in. It's probably about a teaspoon or so, and one for good luck. I like a little bit of some apple cider vinegar. Gives it great flavor. About a teaspoon. I might want more, but I'll put in about a teaspoon, actually about a tablespoon, because there's a lot of veggies. Turn that up. I always put a little bit of some Worcestershire sauce in. Just about a teaspoon. Again, it gives it nice flavor. I have some garlic. I just put it in, hold on, in here. That makes sense. And put some fresh garlic in. We'll start with one, and then we'll see if we want more. I'm just going to stir that up. I put a little bit of pepper, and of course a drop of some kosher salt. And we'll see how that is. I'll bring it over and let's try it with a snow pea. I'm really enjoying that flavor. Yeah. It's really, really good. Okay, now, what I'm going to do is show you how I'm going to assemble this. Now, if you want to add the quinoa right to the vegetables, you can do that. I'm just going to keep it on the side for now, and then I'll just mix it in together when I eat it and heat it up. The other thing is I didn't cook. These are already pre-cooked, and you don't want them to shrivel up. So I just like to wait before I microwave or add it at the very end, okay? That's my tip. Okay. So I'm going to add some of my veggies. Add a little bit of my sausage, a few shrimps, and about a third cup of my quinoa. And if you want more, you can add more. If you don't like quinoa, you could use rice, you could use zucchini noodles, you could use soy noodles, you could use pasta, whatever you like, and you make these great little meals that you can have for several days. Again, quinoa has so many great health benefits. You want to use more than I did. You can, and mix it all together if you want. So that's it. Easy, delicious, high protein, good carb. Quinoa is a really, really, really healthy grain, and good health benefits for you. So I hope you love this recipe. Continue to subscribe and share, and visit me on my Facebook page, Risa's Recipes, and Weight Watcher Tips on Facebook. Keep those comments coming. Love you guys. Bye for now.